Welcome back to a weekly market analysis. And in the signals, we are basically launching a lot more of the swing trades, which are currently in some really nice trades at the moment. And I've been calling GBP USD longs for a while, and that's the first thing I really want to start on right now because I haven't traded Forex in a while, and it's going quite well. I must say, it's doing really well. GU basically broke this high, and it's looking really good. I've got a really strong fundamental point of view, which I want to share with you guys. Is basically GBP's on this huge downtrend that's been on a while. So since 2009, we basically made this new low of all time in 2022, but now we're looking to break above this moving average. You see, just really on a longer term basis, that 1, 2, 3, we've touched this moving average and rejected. This time we really could break above and just have a new uptrend, potentially just to kind of trade in this new region, which, you know, on the lower time frame is a lot of space, a lot of space, and there's a lot of opportunity here. And I'm really enjoying actually trading the FX pairs again. So GBP NZD was a trade we sent. I've added a position. The trades are quite running right now. All of these are on the Simple FX account. I'll share that as well. GBP AUD is beautiful, really beautiful. Really like this. We've had a really good strong rejection. If we look on the daily time frame as well, we've basically had that flash pullback and then hitting on this support here. Not only are we on a support, if I draw a Fibonacci, it's really good. You cannot make this up. Look at that 50% pullback and then looking to easily retest these highs and potentially make new all-time highs as well. So really and truly, these are my main swings that I'm doing at the moment, just some really small amounts. If it adds some more money, that's great. On DAX right now, we've had this pullback. I think that we could continue to potentially retest the highs and make new highs as well. It just really depends. I think that a lot of money is going to dump into some altcoins. I've just basically loaded up the portfolio. So as you guys have seen on Super, I think Super could potentially retest these highs. It's looking really good. And even if not, these levels are just so low that even if it loses money, it's worth the small investment I've put. Last time I flipped $2,500 into $50,000. I walked away with I think 20 at the end of it, but the peak it was 50. This time round there's I think 10 put in. So if we 50x again, that's $500,000. But, really and truly, would we get to that? I don't know. It really doesn't matter. My goal is just to walk away with more than 30,000 and I'm happy, which is a 3x investment. The problem is crypto really just ruins all expectations of ROI because everything could just moon. The one thing I really am focusing on is total market cap is above 2 trillion, coming close to the 3 trillion mark again. And potentially money will come off of Bitcoin, but I still think Bitcoin has a lot of room to push and make new all-time highs. Not only is it going to push new all-time highs as well, we basically DXY absolutely plummeting because Trump is going to war with China, which is really funny to watch. And I really think the next development is in China, but that's just a personal point of view. That's not really anything to do with trading. So I guess really to kind of focus on a summary of the analysis is that I think GBP pairs are going to have a really nice bullish momentum wave for the rest of the year if we can break these highs, and then also DAX could retest, make new highs, and then I really expect a pullback for DAX at some point in the year. I don't know when, but these flash, if you see here, we had a flash here in August 24, continued higher, flash in 23rd of October, continued higher. This just looks like it could do as well. Now we've broken the moving average. Can we continue to pull back, or are we going to continue and press? And it's just about reacting to the market and seeing what could happen. And just staying up to date with the zone. So we're in a very important phase right now. We've recovered this pullback and then continuation to this high. Now, if it breaks this 21,742, then we're going to push even higher. And then one final thing is, if you watch this far, hopefully you are aware of our course. Now, I believe to be profitable in trading, no matter what, you have to have a strategy, because how can you trade if you don't have a strategy? With psychology and risk, and then if you have that becoming profitable stage, was where everyone gives up, is doing your to-do list, your journals, your reps, and having a community. We are now updating the course with Winner Circle 3.0, where I'm actually going to be releasing it for 4 weeks straight within June, July. We've got a release date to come soon. And in those 4 weeks, I will trade and documentate that account for you guys. In the bootcamp, I did that for 1 point something K and secured that payout with 5%. And then, which I'm no longer trading with. for personal reasons and political reasons, I guess. And then since then, I'm now a million funded or 900k funded, such to speak. And yeah, I'm going to be trading one of those, either a personal account or one of the funded accounts, and secure $2,000 within those 4 weeks to show you it's possible, and to promote to you guys that if you just put some work in, $2,000 is possible per month if you just take it easy. And that's only on an average per month, because realistically, you would have like 8 profitable months in a year, and then 2 that are not, and then 2 you should kind of take off. And that's kind of where I'm sitting at the moment. So soon, once I get a few more payouts and trading is good, I'll probably take maybe one of the summer months off. I do want to trade in August, because August has been quite fruition recently. And then I'll probably take September off, because I'll be in Dubai by then, fully moved. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Hope you guys are enjoying the signals as well. If you haven't joined the signals, or if you're waiting, the emails will come out tomorrow for the next batch of people. There are still spaces for you guys to join the signal, and they are for free as long as you are trading with Simple Effects. We will launch a paid one for those who want to join later. But as for now, that's how we're working. All right. Peace.